The use of a solvent as a reference system does not allow to take into account the solvation transfer of a solvent with ions without introducing any model assumptions. Previously, to evaluate the transfer of solvent during the movement of ions, a neutral substance, for example sugar, was introduced into the solution, which molecules were not supposed to be part of the solvation shells of the ions and therefore should not move. Under these conditions, by changing the concentration of neutral substance in the near electrode space, it was possible to calculate the amount of solvent that was transferred by the ions and estimate the so-called true transport numbers. This method of estimating true transport numbers was proposed by Washbourne. The disadvantage of the Washbourne method is that it is almost impossible to select a completely indifferent neutral substance that would not participate in the process of current transfer through the solution. Therefore, the various neutral substances lead to different Washbourne transport numbers.